Talk about a mixed bag of weather. We had some nice weather earlier in the week. We've been talking about severe weather today, and you said it's going to get cold later in the week.
Yeah, there's a chance that we can see a little bit of moisture left over Thursday night when temperatures start to drop early Friday morning. Some sleet, maybe a little bit of snow. It's not going to be a major impact event, but yeah, lots of changes come to the forecast when you have a big storm system like this move through this time of year. The severe weather risk for us, it's a slight risk. Don't let that terminology fool you. That's still a risk that we take very seriously, mostly for our western counties and right along Interstate 65, a lower risk for East Alabama. Now, the complicated part of this forecast is all what happens down to our south. We know we're going to see some thunderstorms today. We're going to see lots of heavy rain, but the severity of which are still in question. If these storms that are now showing up on our futurecast materialize later on today, that kind of cuts off the flow of unstable air into central Alabama. There's already a lot of unstable air around here right now, but the low-level jet that really starts to bring in the instability will be cut off because of these storms. Now, that would lessen our severe weather risk. We do have a cold front that will be moving through that could provide enough lift and trigger for the storms to form, but really our severe weather risk is going to be mainly tied to what happens down south. And you can see the latest update of this futurecast doesn't show a whole lot at all later on tonight, and that's good news for us. It shows rain, but it doesn't show much in the way of severe weather. So the rainfall is going to fall. It's all about what that severe weather risk does. Right now, it's a slight risk of damaging winds and tornadoes would be highlighted with the flooding potential coming later on tonight. And then it's a Thursday, which a flash flood watch is in effect for most of our counties along and south of Interstate 20 and 59. This does include Jefferson County and Shelby County, too, through tomorrow. What happens after that? Cold air, like Alyssa was talking about, moves on in. So the showers move in and out by Thursday afternoon. I think we're mostly done with the heavy rain, but there might be enough leftover moisture in the air to overlap with some of the cold air that moves in to see a few snowflakes, to maybe see a little bit of sleet very early on Friday morning in our northern counties, low impact event, and we clear things out by Friday. How much rain could we see? It looks like anywhere from an inch and a half, 2 to possibly 3 inches of rain. This latest update of the futurecast, though, not painting as much rainfall as we had a little bit earlier this morning. So that's also some better news. But a weather-aware day, we want everyone to be on the alert for today. Showers and a few thunderstorms left over early tomorrow morning, clearing and cooler for Friday, and a few more showers Saturday and next week. That's your forecast. Now Michelle's in with Real